What's up guys, my name is Joe and in this episode it's iPhone rumors all around. So what do we know of the 2019 iPhones so far? It's past September, October in 2018 when the new iPhones come out. We've passed Christmas, everybody bought their iPhone XRs and XSs and XS Maxes, and now rumors start to emerge. Well, actually, they emerge beforehand as well. We've already heard some rumors of the 2019 phones even before the iPhone XS was launched. But let's start with rumor number one, which is there will be 3 models available in 2019, just the same as in 2018. There will be a 5.8-inch version, OLED screen. There will be a 6.5-inch version, OLED screen, and there will be a 6.1-inch version, which is the LCD screen. So just like the iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR. Now, Apple was rumored to replace the LCD screens with OLED screens, but they are very expensive. Now, Apple wants to keep their costs low because they want to keep the prices of their phones low, well, you know, as much as they can. These are one of the most expensive phones on the market right now, and probably it's not worth $1,000 or $1,200 for an iPhone XS Max anyway. So they won't be replacing the OLEDs or the LCD with an OLED screen in the iPhone XR version. Now, in terms of naming, we have no idea what they're going to name it. Probably, if we think about it, in terms of marketing, it makes sense to call it the iPhone 11 so people actually see an upgrade. But usually when you go up a number, then you need some kind of a design change, which is not rumored for this year. There won't be significant changes in the design. We will still have the same iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR design in 2019, and it is rumored to have a design upgrade in 2020 when we will be getting a similar design to the iPad Pro, which is kind of like the iPhone 5S design. Now, I would very, very much love if Apple would go to the classic, to the more squarish design, but that's not going to happen this year. What we will get in this phone is, well, I'm pretty sure you know, if you know Apple a little bit, is the A13 chip from TSMC, which is a chip manufacturer that works for Apple, or that creates the chips for Apple. And this will result in better performance, better battery life, blah, 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 blah. All those kind of things that we are used to year over year. And I'm pretty sure that due to optimization and everything, these phones will rock the world. They are one of the best phones, or fastest phones, or most efficient phones in the world currently, the iPhones, and they will probably still be that next year. In terms of camera, which is very interesting, we will probably get 3 cameras. There have been multiple rumors that there will be an extra camera added into the iPhone, and that will result in 3 times optical zoom. So we have 1, 2, and 3. Now also, this will allow us to see in depth. So if we do a picture of a room of anything, these 3 cameras will be able to identify different objects closer and further, and you can actually create a really cool AR experience. Now, I'm not sure if Apple really wants to go this way to make a virtual or augmented reality of your surroundings. They are more focused on other aspects of AR, but it's a cool concept and would be very nice to see. Also, we are looking forward for an upgrade on the True Depth camera system, the front-facing camera. First of all, we need to upgrade that camera so bad. There have been a lot of phones that put a screen on the back of the phone, so they don't need the front-facing camera. Now, probably Apple won't do anything so radical, but there are rumors that there are some technologies Apple possesses that allows Face ID and the True Depth camera system to be implemented under the screen, so we won't even be able to see it, and there won't be any notch. Now, probably this is going to happen in 2020. I doubt it that it's going to happen in 2019. But Apple has secured a patent which allows Face ID and Touch ID to work at the same time. So, and Touch ID working from under the screen. So if they have technology like this, I'm pretty sure they won't rush it out. There will be an explanation why Apple is bringing back the Touch ID, because I think they will, because a lot of people like it, and it's a very good authentication system as a backup. Face ID, I love Face ID. I couldn't go back to Touch ID, but whenever your phone is on the table and you just want to put your thumb on it and authenticate and go in, it's a perfect solution. So guys, this is what we know so far. If you want to stay updated on the newest rumors and what's happening, then stay tuned to this channel. Also, there will be a giveaway. So a huge giveaway, which will be announced in the next couple of videos. Please stay tuned. It's worth subscribing, it's worth liking, it's worth sharing. I promise you it's going to be something very, very cool. So stick out with me for at least 2 more videos and I will announce the giveaway. And until then, thank you very much for watching, and until the next video, stay safe and hang loose.